How to remove shortcuts from Google Chrome home page. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you there is two method. You can remove shortcuts, or you can also hide the that shortcuts option from your Chrome home page. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let me go on my Chrome browser first. So guys, I am on my Chrome browser. Here you can see I can add the maximum 10 shortcuts. So there is a two type of shortcuts. First, the shortcuts will be created by default when you visit frequently any website. Then this website link will be come here automatically, or there is a second option that you can add manually shortcuts. So you can see the customize option here. Okay, so if you don't find this option, just update your Chrome browser and reopen it, then you will see the option called customize Chrome. Okay, so the first option I will show you, just come to the any shortcuts that you want to delete and just click on this upper three dot option and click on remove. It will be remove, or you can add from here. Okay, just you need to write the name of website, and here you have to enter the website address. Then this shortcut will be created here. Okay, so if you don't want this option, if you want to hide this, go to the customize Chrome. Here go to the shortcuts, and as I show you as I told you, there is a two options, which is most visited site and my shortcuts. So by default it's selected by selected this by Chrome. So now if you hide this, you have to enable this option and just done, and you can see option has been hide. You can also enable it by going same way and disable it and click on done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.